Are you looking for a convenient way to Saint-Tropez? Consider the ferry boat. Available from Saint-Raphael, as shown here in this video, but also from Nice, from Cannes, from Sainte-Maxime. Leaving from Saint-Raphael, as shown in this video, you'll be using the ferry boat company called Les Bateaux de Saint-Raphael, and they have these blue catamaran-like ferry boats, very stable. And from Sainte-Maxime, there's a different operator called Les Bateaux Ferry. If you're leaving from Nice or Cannes, there are more operators. One of the larger ones is Trans Azur. Don't hesitate to go to azurlive.com for more information about different ways to get to Saint-Tropez.